Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So, let's start. The today's topic is True Love, a famous sonnet by William Shakespeare. In this sonnet, he tells about true love and he addresses Mr. W.H. in this poem, where he declares true love is immortal, the greatest power in the world. He points the difference between true love and false love, and it never changes. It inspires the confused persons and bring them in the right path. Okay, so let us know about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and died in 1616. His mother's name was Mary and father's name was John. Okay, he was born in Stanford and 22 April or 23 1564. All right, so let's read out the poem. Stanza 1. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love, which alters with alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. So let me explain you this para. The poet tells his friend that the spiritual union of two lovers does not accept any hurdles falling in their way. No circumstances can separate them. It remains unaffected in all places. Circumstances and times cannot separate the true lovers. True and spiritual love is not sublime in nature. If love changes in the face of adverse condition, alters of the person fluctuates with the change of time. Due to the divinity in them, true lovers are ever ready to deal with any problem, any hurdles. Because of being sacrificing nature, they are ever ready to stake their lives for the sake of their love. And this is not false love, this is true love. Alright, here we comes to the second stanza. Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken. It is a star to every wandering bark, whose worth is unknown, although his height be taken. Shakespeare here tells that true love is a ever fixed mark. It is fixed, it can't move, it doesn't move. In tempest, it is never shaken. Alright, it is never shaken, it doesn't move because it is true love. It is a star in the wandering bark. It is a star like pole star. It doesn't move, it shows the direction to some wandering person who has gone to the wrong route, and it shows the right way. Alright, whose worth is unknown, who is worthless. Cost cannot be, there should be no cost of that, we can't pay of that. True love is that love whose height cannot be taken. Alright, which is can't be measured. True love is a beautiful feeling, and his worth is unknown. As you know, Shakespeare was a very famous poet, dramatist. So second stanza we have read. Stanza 3. Love is not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks. Within his bending sickle's compass come, love alters not his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even the edge of doom. Poet here talks that true love never comes within the range of time, doesn't not become victim of cruel time. Time separates none. Physical parts of the beauty such as rosy lips and cheeks with the passage of time can but the can go away, can fade, but the feeling of true love cannot be. True love does not change with the passage of time, alright? It is immortal, it can be measured in the brief hours and month. It can't be. No, it can't be measured in brief hours and month. It remains alive up to the doomsday. Doomsday here tells the last day of the world, alright? So we are on last stanza, stanza 4. So let me read it out. If this beat error and upon me proved, I never writ, nor no man ever loved. Here Shakespeare says, claims that if it is proved that he say is false and have not lived up to the definition of love, he will gladly accept that he is not a poet and anyone ever loved truly in the world. So thank you for watching our video, and I would like to say please subscribe and make a like on our channel and tell others about our channel. Thank you.